Ever wonder how the top 1% manage their money? In just a few minutes, we're breaking down the secrets shared by Mark Tilbury, revealing how they build wealth by owning, not just earning.
The richest people aren't just salaried employees. They are entrepreneurs, investors, or those with rare skills. The core idea is simple. If you don't own something, you are what's owned.
So, how can you start owning like the 1%? Mark Tilbury designed the 25, 50, 15, 10% rule to help anyone manage their money like the elite, regardless of income. It's not about how much you make, but how you manage it. Let's break down each part of this powerful rule.
First, dedicate 25% of your income to growth. This money works for you by buying assets that increase in value. Most people spend their paychecks on depreciating items, trapping them in a cycle.
Starting early is critical. Even small, consistent investments compound dramatically over time. Someone investing $200 a month from age 20 can end up with significantly more than someone investing $300 a month from age 30, thanks to compound growth. But what should you invest in? Start with lower risk options like index funds, which offer broad market exposure. Real estate through rental properties or REITs is another solid choice. Learning high-income skills also provides an excellent return on investment. Higher-risk options include online businesses, individual stocks, and alternative investments like crypto. These can offer big rewards, but also carry higher risk. Always start with a strong foundation before dabbling in moonshots. Next, ensure your investments are tax efficient. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like the UK's Stocks and Shares ISA or a workplace pension. In the US, consider a Roth IRA or 401k. These accounts allow your money to grow largely tax-free.
Mark Tilbury partnered with Trading212, offering a free fractional share worth up to 100 with the code Tilbury. This is a great way to kickstart your investing journey. Automate your investments by setting up monthly transfers into a diversified portfolio, like a free fund portfolio with US, international, and bond index funds. Adjust your allocation based on your risk tolerance and age. Now, let's talk about the 15% for stability. This 15% keeps you in the game. An unexpected bill can derail your finances, forcing you to sell investments at a loss. Mark learned this the hard way after his car broke down with no savings. Calculate your stability fund by multiplying your monthly core expenses by 5. This provides a robust safety net for life's inevitable curveballs.
Store this money correctly, it must be easy to access, zero risk, and earn a little interest in a high-yield savings account. Never put your emergency fund in the stock market.
Accelerate your savings with tactics like the paycheck sweep, automatically transferring 15% on payday. Make a replacement promise to yourself if you dip into it and use roundup apps or cashback to save by spending. Next, the biggest portion, 50% for your essentials.
This 50% feeds you, not your ego. Many high earners live paycheck to paycheck due to lifestyle creep. Wealth isn't what you see, it's what you don't see.
Get clear on true essentials: rent, groceries, utilities, transport, insurance, and basic clothes. Cancel any unused subscriptions or services that aren't helping you live, work, or stay healthy. Focus on shrinking your biggest expenses, housing and transport. Renegotiate rent, consider house hacking, and buy reliable used cars instead of new ones that rapidly depreciate.
Use rules, not willpower, to control spending. Ask yourself, is it an impulse purchase? If so, use the 7-day rule. Are you buying for brand or value? Always choose value and quality. Finally, ask, will this truly improve my life? If not, it's likely just for impressing others or a fleeting dopamine hit. Be intentional, not tight.
And for the last 10%, your rewards. This 10% keeps you sane and makes saving sustainable. Without it, saving feels like a punishment, leading to overspending. It's a strategy, not an excuse, to maintain your financial discipline.
Make your rewards guilt-free by prioritizing experiences and connections. Vacations create lasting memories, hobbies fuel your passion, social outings strengthen relationships, and thoughtful gifts show appreciation to loved ones.
Set up a separate Joy Jar bank account and automate a 10% transfer each month. This limited fund encourages you to maximize its value, protecting your goals without feeling deprived.
Prioritize experiences over material possessions. These are the things you'll truly remember and cherish, making your wealth feel rich in a meaningful way.
There you have it, the complete 25, 50, 15, 10% rule. To dive deeper into these strategies and learn more from Mark Tilbury, make sure to watch the full video on his channel. The link is in the description below.
Enjoying quick summaries like this and saving time? There's more coming, so hit that subscribe button.